I bought this hotel because I believed we could bring it back to where it was. And I think we're accomplishing that.
This hotel was built in 1926, and the attention to detail from the columns in the lobby, ballroom, to the original chandeliers, they needed a little bit of elbow grease. They needed a little bit of, okay, how do we embrace that chandelier that's been there for 95 years, but then also make it have a modern feel?
You're going to walk in, you're going to see some rejuvenated lobby that's been brought back. Some of the original finishes from the 1926 hotel have been brought back and restored, but at the same time, it's got modern conveniences, modern furniture. So it's this balance of respecting the past and bringing back the past and sort of celebrating it, but at the same time modernizing the hotel.
I personally love that vibe of a modern and historic property mixed together. Finding the guest room doors are all mahogany and finding the original floor in the lobby under what was carpet and vinyl, and we were going to retile over, and we found the original 1926 terrazzo floor. So that's kind of, to me, that's cool. That's exciting.
Mr. Moore made it shine. Like, he's just reviving everything. He's brought the character back. People enjoy coming in for the good food. We have like the #1 chefs around in the area.
I remember telling the boys, we've got to change the culture. Everybody's got to pick their head up, everybody say good morning. And we did that, and the people have come and embraced us.
So the guest experience, what we want is for somebody to come here to automatically feel welcome upon that first check-in. So we want somebody to feel, okay, wow, we really do feel welcome. We're happy to be here, and they're happy to have us here.
But I think here, from the waitress and waitresses that you'll see here, the smile on their face, back of the house, just we all have a mission to try to make this the best experience for the customers and the guests, to really just make this hotel a place that everybody wants to come.
When I walk into the Queensbury Hotel, I'm not only excited, I'm fulfilled. I'm fulfilled. We've done a wonderful thing here.